everyone, we are at Zion National Park for the third time. We're about to start the Zion Canyon Overlook Trail. It's about 1 mile with 187 feet of elevation gain. We were here back in 2016 and we actually hiked Angel's Landing back then. That was before they implemented the permit system. We unfortunately did not get the permit for today, but we would like to come back and do that again. And our plan B failed also. We were really hoping to do the hike to Observation Point, but it's April, very snowy and very muddy still, so you actually can't get to the trailhead. So we have a couple other hikes planned. I mean, we're in Zion. Can you really do a bad hike here? I don't think so. So it should be a great day. For those of you following my cancer journey, it has been just about 3 months since my last chemo, and I actually have eyebrows and eyelashes now. So that's really exciting. Still following the natural journey, and I'm feeling fantastic. Is my fleece glowing in the dark?
Yeah, it is. You good?
I almost just died, but here we are. The trailhead for this hike is right after you go through the Zion Mount Carmel tunnel. And just a heads up, the parking lot is really small. We got there around 6:45 and it was almost full. So if you want to do this hike, get there early.
There's already a little crowd up here already. So here we are at the top of the Zion Canyon Overlook Trail.
It's about 7 in the morning, already crowded, but I see why.
It's only 0.5 of a mile to get up here, which it's not bad at all. So it's an easy hike. Just get here early.
Definitely, but these views.
So just to give you an idea of what standing in there is like, you get this incredible view. Down.
No big deal. One last view from the top. Time to head back to the trailhead. I have to say, most short trails don't have that big of a reward at the end, but the view at the end of this trail is absolutely phenomenal. So if you have a short amount of time in Zion and you have to pick one trail, this is your trail. We are already back to the trailhead, on to the next trail. We took the shuttle to stop number 5 and we're about to hike the Emerald Pools Trail. We did this one back in 2016 and I would say the pools were more like puddles, so we're hoping they look a lot better today. This hike is about 3 miles with 620 feet of elevation gain. We made it to the middle pool. We made it to the upper Emerald Pool. Wow.
Look at that, 0 balance checks. Yeah.
Let's see if Gary can make it out there. Good job. Look at those skills. Hulk is looking pretty small right now.
So here we are at the base of the upper falls, and let me just tell you, we should have wore rain jackets.
We are soaked right now, but totally worth it. So we're hiking back now. It's hard to see on the GoPro, but we were just on top of the waterfall over there, so that's pretty cool. We're back at the lower Emerald Pools. So is everyone else in the world. I'm not sure how Gary got a clip of me walking before with no one else in it. It's kind of one of those Instagram versus reality things. But this is so cool. Time for trail number 3. We're doing the Riverside Walk, which actually takes you to the beginning of the Narrows, which is closed today because there's a high possibility of flash flooding, but we weren't planning on doing that anyway. This trail is about 2 miles. It's an out and back, and it's ranked as easy. peace and quiet and solitude, this is definitely not the trail for you. It is packed. There are so many people, but the views alongside the river are beautiful. We made it to the end, and now you can see why it is not feasible to do the Narrows today. It's a cool trail, lots of amazing views, but definitely way too many people for my liking. Time to head back and on to the next trail. It is time for trail number 4. We are headed out on the Watchman trail. It's about 3 miles with, what is it, 300 and change of elevation gain. So not too bad. The sign said no shade and it's pretty warm, so we'll probably be sweating, but should get some pretty awesome views from this one.
Walking a wall.
Yikes. We made it to the end of the trail.
So here we are at the end of the Watchman Trail, and it overlooks the visitor center and the museum and stuff like that. It's pretty cool.
Time to head back to the trailhead. We are starving and already thinking about the healthy snacks we'll be eating when we get to the car. We just made it back to the car now. We had an absolutely epic day at Zion National Park. We did 4 trails, about 10 miles of hiking, but I know we'll definitely be back one day to do Angel's Landing again and also to do Observation Point. But right now we're getting ready to drive to Bryce National Park. Very excited. We're hitting up the Mighty 5 again, so make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram. We have many more adventures on the way.